This is weekly chart of gold. This trend line is your dynamic support. 1765 is your static horizontal support. Closing of these three weekly candle confirm buying at 1765. This trend line is giving third buying opportunity. This time all of this buyer will target higher high above this resistance. Their first target is 1911 and next target is 1960. On weekly chart, if 1765 support and this trend line break, then it will be bearish, otherwise it is bullish. This is daily chart. These white are your weekly resistance and this yellow rectangle is your daily resistance. Fibonacci retracement to this wave are exactly at this resistance. After this entire bearish trend, this can be a corrective chart pattern A, B, C, D, and this is beginning of wave E. Wave BC was 3 times of wave A, and wave E has its projection target as 1912 and 1960 at horizontal resistance. At this level, wave E will be 2 times of wave A. So at 1765, traders are buying beginning of wave E and they will target top of wave E at this horizontal resistance. So this is the entry and this is the target of buyers. At 61% retracement at 1853 at this resistance, seller will try to resell gold at this level. Then again they will try to resell at this top, and third target is this horizontal resistance. So these three are target for buyers for profit taking and seller to re-enter the market. All of the seller who will take entry at this level have their target at this level. Closing of these 4-hour candle confirm support at 1756 where you can buy. Price again found resistance which is also confirmed by closing of these H4 candles. On intraday chart, before going up, it has to break this resistance. If you have missed this entry, then you can re-enter at breakout and retest of this resistance.